Hey guys. Okay, so we're gonna go on a virtual field trip around Houston, and we're gonna look at different parts of street art. Now, I was supposed to do this with pre-AP, but we got quarantined. But I want to show you anyways. So we're gonna take the chariot. Georgia, smile.
Hi.
I'm taking her with me. And we're gonna start at the school. Okay? So, Spring Forest. Okay? And we're gonna go from place to place. So are y'all ready? Okay, so get in the bus, make sure you have your water, no complaining, stay out of the aisles, do what you're supposed to do. No yelling, no getting, no waving your arms out the windows. Okay? All right, so everybody get on the bus. So we're at the first installment. This is Trail of Art by this guy, Mosman. Sorry for that car. Still Live 2019. And it's an installation art. And he did 4 or 5 of them down Long Point. So we're gonna stop at each one of them. Some people think it's ugly. Some people think it's weird. I wonder what you think. Okay, so this is the dog. I like him. Some people don't. Some people say he's dirty. It's called Carter Ernest Pointing, 2019. And he's got some fur on him. He definitely has some different, it's definitely resin and fiberglass. So you basically take fabric and you take fiberglass and you pour it over it. And then he's got some fur on there. I don't know. What do you think? I think it's interesting that he's next to a buy your face mask sign here. That's not fun. I don't know. I think this is the last one. And then we're going to head on over to the Heights. Now we're on Heights Boulevard, okay? And down Heights Boulevard have a bunch of different sculptures throughout the median. There's like a boulevard there, and down the median has these different sculptures. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna have different pictures of the different sculptures. When you, if you decide to do this on your own with your parents, y'all can park and can see the different ones, but I'm gonna stop and do it. And I'll show you all the different sculptures down Heights, and then we'll start hitting the murals. So this is a really good Instagram wall. This is a Shelby Nicole, is a Houston artist. I'll try to get her tag in here. Looks really cool. So it's from the old Harold's building on 19th Street. And then if we walk down here, another artist. Oh my God, that's a beautiful car. Okay, another artist did Houston Heroes. So my 7th graders, you're gonna be doing a Texas unit. Here are some cool Houston heroes. So this is hashtag Make the Future. These are Houston heroes, and I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. All the different people who are tagged as Houston's heroes. So this is really cool. And this is the plaque. Okay. Then if we walk this direction, you can see across the street is a really cool one. Purple, nice flower. Here we go. Cool. All right. And if you're hungry and you're doing this with your parents on your own, Torchy's Tacos is right behind this building. Okay, so it is so cool. I cannot tell you how cool this video. Like, you have to, I hope y'all get to come out and do this because it is one of my favorite. And my little splatter kids that love a good splatter, this artist is your vibe. Check it out. Time to do a selfie. This is one of my favorites. It's Grateful Gratitude Heart. And we would have stopped here and done some pictures and left our art. We're gonna go ahead and leave ours. I love this interactive art piece. So now we're at Sawyer Yards. These look like trash piles, but they're actually art installations, and they go all the way down. And then the art murals go all the way. And usually I would let you guys get out and explore, but that's not gonna work through my phone.
Can't go through the screen.
Can't go through the screen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and take pictures of each one, and then you guys can see what they are. The old Success rice plant, and this is where the silos where they would store the rice grain and it would come down. And then we're gonna go through where the trains would go, and then they would put the rice in the train. But it's kind of cool little structure that's still here. graffiti spot, that's downtown. It's at the corner of Leland and St. Emmanuel. It's rad. People come over here to do pictures all the time. So I'm just gonna kind of sort of do a bit of a tour so you can see. There's that Astros thing. Sky's the limit. So I'm gonna go take some pics. Leland and Navigation. There's tons of art in the, if you go down into the 5th Ward area, but we're just gonna stop here. And this is one of the first installations that happened years and years and years ago. And it celebrates Hispanic culture and Aztec ancestry. It's really cool. And the tags are awesome. I like this one. So, okay, get in the car, we're going back. All right, kids, well, we're back where we have our own really cool murals and art. I would like to say at this point, normally I would say we're back. It's about 3:25, so you need to go back to your 7th period class, and then the buses would be here and you would release. But the fact of the matter is, that's not gonna happen. And it breaks my heart. And I'm so sorry that we're stuck in this situation. Now, Georgia and I didn't wear masks today because we were social distancing. Nobody was around us. But I want you to make sure that when you're around people you don't know, you wear a mask and you wash your hands and you take care of yourself, because if anything ever happened to my artist chickens, I don't know what I would do. So I need you to be safe. Tell me if you like this video. Other than that, I'll see you guys soon. Later.